back to Taste Buds. My name is Madison Wolf, and we will be reviewing Southern Hoecake made by Kentucky Kitchen. We will be starting off with presentation. Looks pretty good. It's in circle form. It's kind of broken, but still edible. It looks like a pancake, honestly. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to try it. And now for the taste. It has similar pancake texture or tasting to it. It's very good. I believe I would sit down and eat this for a meal, maybe. My mom usually makes these at our house. It's pretty good. I need to give my mom the recipe. Now for texture. It's not chewy, it's very crumbly. It dissolves in your mouth pretty much. It's not, it's not dry. It's more of a moist type flavor. If you have a lot of texture issues, I wouldn't really recommend this for you. But if you like cornbread, you'll like this. In conclusion, the Southern Hoecake is very good. I rate it about a 4.5 out of 5. You can use it for many things: a side dish, a main dish, anything you wanted. Yeah. Tune in next week to watch another review by Taste Buds, reviewing another food by Kentucky Kitchen.